Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video, we are going to discuss how to check list of keyboard shortcut on Chromebook. So with that being said, let's get started. To check the list of keyboard shortcuts, simply press Ctrl, Search and S. This will open the key shortcut window and here you will get all your Chromebook keyboard shortcut. You can browse by categories. If you want, you can also customize the keyboard shortcut. For that, simply click on this edit icon and you can simply customize the shortcut. Now, if you want more keyboard settings, then click on keyboard settings option. Here you will find the option to customize keyboard keys. Simply click on it and here we have the customization option. Say for example, if you want to use your search key as a caps lock, then from the drop-down menu, simply select caps lock feature. Now whenever you press search key, it will turn on the caps lock. So that's it. This is how you can check your Chromebook keyboard shortcuts and customize it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.